All right, everyone, let's jump right into it. You know what's been dominating the headlines lately? The Bitcoin halving, of course. Now, for those of you who haven't heard of this, listen up. This is a big deal, and it could have a significant impact on the entire cryptocurrency market. So, what exactly is this halving? Imagine a giant money printer constantly churning out fresh bills. That's kind of how Bitcoin works, with miners verifying transactions and getting rewarded with new coins. But here's the twist. Every 4 years or so, that money printer gets cut in half. This means the number of new Bitcoins entering circulation gets slashed by 50%. The recent halving, which happened around April 24th this year, brought that reward down from 6.25 Bitcoin to just 3.125 Bitcoin. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, it all boils down to supply and demand, a basic economic principle that applies to everything, from baseball cards to Beanie Babies, and yes, even cryptocurrency. With the supply of new Bitcoin getting squeezed, what do you think happens to the price? That's right. According to historical trends, scarcity can drive prices up. We saw this after the 2020 halving, where Bitcoin's price skyrocketed from around $8,000 to a peak of nearly $70,000 in 2021. Now, that's not a guarantee of future results, but it paints a pretty interesting picture. But wait, there's more. The halving isn't the only thing brewing in the crypto world. We're seeing some major signs of industry growth that can't be ignored. Remember Stripe? That massive payments company? They recently dipped their toes back into the crypto pool by allowing USDC stablecoin payments. This is a huge deal because it signifies mainstream adoption. Big players are starting to take notice, and that can only be good news for the entire cryptocurrency market. Speaking of good news, there's a potential shift happening in the regulatory landscape. The SEC lawsuit against Ripple, a major point of contention in the industry, recently saw a court ruling in Ripple's favor on a key point. This could ease up the regulatory pressure on the entire crypto market, paving the way for further innovation and investment. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds fantastic, but what about the scary stuff? Let's be honest, the crypto market is known for its volatility. Remember that surge in Bitcoin's price after the initial excitement surrounding the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit? Well, guess what? It was followed by a brutal 20% drop in a single day. This roller coaster ride highlights the importance of a long-term perspective. Cryptocurrencies are not a get-rich-quick scheme. They're a marathon, not a sprint. But here's the thing. While the short term might be bumpy, the long-term potential is undeniable. Industry growth, regulatory shifts, and technological advancements like Ethereum's move to proof-of-stake are all signs that crypto is here to stay. And some analysts are even predicting a doomsday rally, a significant price surge based on historical post-halving trends. Now, remember, these are just predictions, and the market is unpredictable by nature. But it's definitely something to keep an eye on. So, when is the best time to invest in crypto? Honestly, that's $1 million question, and nobody has the perfect answer. The market is volatile, and trying to time the bottom is a recipe for disaster. But there is a strategy called dollar cost averaging, DCA, that can be your best friend in this scenario. With DCA, you invest smaller amounts regularly, regardless of the price. This way, you average out the cost per coin over time and avoid the risk of buying at a peak. Look, the truth is, cryptocurrencies are a new asset class, and their long-term viability is still being written. But with all the positive signs we're seeing, it's definitely worth considering for your investment portfolio, especially if you have a long-term horizon. Just remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio across different established currencies, and most importantly, stay informed. This industry is moving fast, and staying updated on the latest developments is crucial for making sound investment decisions. So, that's the scoop on the Bitcoin halving and the current state of the crypto market. If you found this video informative, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, And don't forget to share it with your friends who might be interested in learning more about the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Remember, the information provided here is for general purposes only, and viewers should conduct their own research.